everyone, welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. My name's Amber. Today I'm sharing with you guys another thin hair thick topper. I'm really excited to try this on. I think it's going to be a great match. Maybe not in length, we'll see. But I wanted to highlight a few things that are new with thin hair thick. First of all, of course, I did try this on in my last two thin hair thick videos. It's their new thin hair thick poly lace top band. This is a really awesome wig grip that I prefer over the other ones. It's very comfortable, it's secure, and I like that it's nice and thin around the nape with this here wire. It's just super awesome. So if you want to hear more about this poly lace top band, definitely head back to my last two videos, especially the first one that talks about the lace front thin hair thick topper, because I adhere it to this polyurethane strip right up front, and it's just pretty nifty. So I recommend it. Go check it out. But today I want to talk about this new color on their HD synthetic fiber. Look how beautiful this color is. This here color is medium brown, but what I love about this color is it's not just like your solid brown. I feel like just like when all the hairs are all the same color, it really gives it away that you're wearing something faux, something fabricated, something fake. But when you have a very dimensional, basic medium brown color with, you know, these different tones, different hairs all throughout, that is what makes it look natural. And the thing is, this isn't even human hair. This is their heat-friendly synthetic. I actually have a heat-friendly synthetic in what I think is probably the same style of topper. It looks like the same density and everything, and I really love it. So this is just awesome. Now we have your monofilament top. It looks like it's double monofilament, so it's nice and soft on the underside. And then you have 3 combs that you can slide under your wig grip of choice. I'm just going to put this one on, the new thin hair thick poly lace top one. What is it called? Yeah, poly lace top band. So with this lace top band, you can use it with clips, combs, or the adhesive using some Walker tape, for instance, with the lace front. But for this one, I will just slide these combs right underneath. And of course, you have Thin Hair Thick's patented incredible design where you can put this on and have it stay on, stay secure, and not damage or hurt your scalp or the bio hair that you have. This here elastic band goes around the nape of your neck over your wig grip. I'll do that right now, and we'll try this on and talk about the beautiful color. And I have something else I want to share as well. Okay, so I will put this hair in a pony or bun, whatever works. Put on the wig grip of choice. I prefer these ones now. Now that I've tried it, I don't know that I will go back. I just love it. Stays so secure, especially with that Velcro piece down at the nape. It's very comfortable if you're wondering. And then I will take this topper with the combs. I can slide it under, or I can shimmy out some bio hair to mix in, which I might do. And then slide it. Slide the comb in, stretch that rubber band around the nape of your neck, grab your ponytail, let it loose. Oh, I love this color. Holy cow, I love it. Then what I can do is I can take this comb right here, slide that under the band. Take this comb right here, slide that under the band. Very secure, she ain't going nowhere. Shimmy out the edges of my bio hair so I can mix that in. That's a great match. Wow. Love that. This is my stylus I'm using. I love the shape of this here topper. Now this is HD, like I mentioned, so you can curl it, you can crimp it, you can wave it, you can straighten it so it's bone flat without that curve. I personally love the curve, the way the style comes, but that's really nice that you can do that on this heat-friendly fiber. Now my hair is a little bit too long, makes me want to just cut off these stringy ends. It's been growing like a weed, although very thin. But yeah, I'm loving this color. Very, very pretty brown. This definitely does scream medium brown. I have, you know, a medium to light ashy brunette hair, and I would say this is you know, a true medium brown. It's gorgeous. Now, because it doesn't have a lace front, you most likely will want to blend that front hairline with your biological hair like I did. You can add some hair fibers, root touch-up powder if you feel like you need to fill in any of your own hair up at that front hairline, and that can help blend it even more seamlessly. You can take it into a salon and have them trim it and blend it in with your biological hair, and that helps it, you know, further feel like an extension of yourself. Wow. I love this color and this style. The fibers feel soft, they feel silky. I feel like they look fantastic. You can part it every which way because of that monofilament top. That looks really, really good. Individually hand tied one by one. Room for multi-directional parting, creative styling, wearing this like you would your own biological hair. And without the pain. Those who wear toppers every single day with clips and they're always in the same location, you probably have some experience with, you know, pain and discomfort and even hair loss maybe, where those clips often just sit. Okay, before I do anything though, I just wanted to share this product that Thin Hair Thick has out. It's, you know, brand new. I'm super excited to check it out. This is the only detangling spray for synthetic hair. That's what it's called. It's really awesome. It's by Thin Hair Thick. So let's check it out. Of course, this here topper hasn't been worn, you know, all day with kids and stuff. So she's not tangly, but I want to try her out. The smell is really good. It kind of has a minty. Is it minty? So it's called The Only. The Only is more than just a name. It is the only product you need to care for your synthetic hair. I mean, as you guys know, synthetic fiber doesn't require much. You wash it, you shake it, and these styles are basically baked into the synthetic fiber. It's just like shake and go type hair. It's super convenient. If you have something wavy, curly, that also is, you know, baked into your style. It makes it so convenient for us end wearers. A lot of the time, if you do want to add some texture, you need to detangle, things like that, adding just a spritz of water can do the job. But if you have a product like this that's specifically made for synthetic hair, you don't need much else. So anyway, it says our special blend is specifically formulated for your synthetic hair needs. It instantly detangles your hair and provides a barrier against environmental pollutants. Make your synthetic hair last longer by using The Only. Directions: spray through synthetic hair and use a wide tooth comb working from ends to the ends of the hair upward. A little goes a long way. So it smells really good. That's awesome. So you guys will have to check that out. I will have the links down below to The Only and to their synthetic, HD synthetic pieces, along with the links to their human hair and other options as well. Let me know what you guys think about this hair color. I think it's a great match to my bio hair. I think I need to search for a longer piece though. What do you guys think? Should I cut my hair off or should I find a longer piece? It's taken a while to grow my hair out, and to be honest with you, having those thin stringy ends doesn't seem ideal. It's like, chop those things off. You don't need those. But I can say that when you have thin, stringy ends, they blend with alternative hair so much better because there's no like big step. It just feathers through any faux hair very well. And I've noticed that through the years wearing alternative hair, that having, you know, thin wispy ends is actually ideal because it blends so well. So anyway, that's a little bit of my blabbing for the day. You guys check out Thin Hair Thick. Go follow their social media platforms. I'll have those links down below. They're a fantastic company, fantastic ladies, super innovative. They just are coming out with the coolest stuff left and right. And their whole main goal here is to accommodate everybody, their individual needs, things that they're looking for while keeping it comfortable and, you know, pain-free. And hence the Thin Hair Thick clipless topper. I love these toppers. I think they're great. Of course, they fit my head really well. I have like it, you know, a nice crease where that nape is. So if you wear headbands and stuff, there are ways that you can make them fit better, but these have always fit my head quite well. So anyway, long story short, thumbs up for me. Thanks to Thin Hair Thick for letting me share these options with you guys. Please give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram. You can certainly contact Thin Hair Thick, their customer support, in that they can help them with your questions on colors, their product, anything of that matter. Again, you guys remember that THT007 gives you a great discount over there at Thin Hair Thick. So take advantage of that if you are interested in one of these clipless toppers. Before I say goodbye, let me do a turnaround to show you guys the coverage. I almost forgot. Oh, I'm so all over the place. Okay, now I'll let you guys go. I'll see you guys later. Bye.